Hey guys, welcome back to Tech by Noise. In this video, I will teach you how to get a fluffy icon on your Samsung phone from what you are seeing now. Now let's get into the video. First of all, I would like you to get 4 apps. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Sorry, my mistake. Let me go back and click on the folder. Then I would love you to get the second one, which is a Good Luck app and home apps and a fluffy icon. So you can get fluffy icon. Then I'm going to show you how to download fluffy icon. We have to go to the Play Store. I'm going to find my way on Play Store. Click on Play Store, click on search, then type fluffy, which is Sorry, I'm going to type fluffy. Once I type, I'm going to search it. We have different varieties and different types of fluffy icon. We have lots of fluffy icon on Play Store. I have to show you this particular one. You have to go down. So this is the particular one, fluffy icon. This particular one. Once you download it, we are good to go. Then we are going to enter into the next phase. Then we are going to do two things first. Whether you click on the app, whether you click on this particular app or you click on Find Log. Let me click on the theme park first. You can go straight from the app, but after clicking on the theme park, I'm going to go back to the Find Log app. Then I'm going to click on the Find Log app. Once it's open, it's going to show you different modules or different apps. Then I'm going to click on Find Log. First of all, it's supposed to be on Teams. I will click on the icon. Then I click on Create. Then once you click on Create, you are going to go to Icon. Click on Icon. Click on Icon Park. Click on that particular light blue. Then you are going to select the fluffy. Click on Select it. Once you select it, it's going to load small. Hold on. Once it's loaded, you're going to click on that and load the icon. Click on that. You are going to name it fluffy or anything you want to name it. Once you name it, you're going to press OK. But I've already done this particular process, so I'm going to go back and show you how to apply it. Once I go back, you're going to click on the and apply. You can see edit and unapply. I've already did my own part, so you can click on that particular place and apply it immediately. Once you apply, it's going to show you. Can you see the icon? It looks very lovely. I love the fluffiness. It looks very like lovely, and like everything is going to like cover all the app on your phone. If it does not cover the app, it's going to change the edges of the app. So don't forget to subscribe and leave your thumbs up. Thank you.